Just because you're going through a breakup doesn't mean you have to break. In fact, it's a perfect time to catch up with yourself, with friends and family, and let go of any negativity and just keep yourself busy. Step 1. Allow yourself to cry it out. Then go back to your regular schedule. A few days usually does the trick. Step 2. Get rid of all the signs of your ex. This means any of their belongings laying around and doing a full social media cleanse. Step 3. Keep yourself busy. Do something you love or find a new hobby. Step 4. Self-care. After your scheduled cry time, don't forget to take care of yourself, like painting your nails, face mask, just do you. Step 5. Connect with your friends. You can share your feelings, but don't always make it about the breakup. Find other things to talk about that are important to you all.